Okay guys, I got a 2021 Honda Accord. If you guys have any maintenance that you've done and want to kind of keep track of it without writing it down, you can go to settings. You can scroll down to vehicle, scroll down to maintenance info, and then you can select reset items, and you can do engine oil, tire rotation, air filters, transmission fluid, spark plugs, engine coolant, and brake fluid. So each time you reset one of these, for example, let's do tire rotation, we can reset it to 100%. And let's say we want to go to air filters as well. So reset that to 100%, and then every time that goes down to a percentage where it lets us know that we need to fix it, it'll give us a warning or a reminder, and then we can fix it from there rather than having to write it down and do it that way.